Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. And yeah, let's just get into it. Let's take a look at our very famous Doge trade right now that we are in. We have entered a Dogecoin trade. I know what everyone's saying. How could you? Shame. Just know that I'm trading the derivative. I'm not actually holding the asset class itself. But yeah, right now our Doge trade is in profit, a little bit of a profit, nothing too big. Looks like on the 1 hour we're starting to slow down a little bit on the momentum waves, but the money flow is definitely coming back. And on the 4 hour time frame, it's looking pretty good, -5 right here, and then 16 numbers is getting stronger. And even on the 6 hour, we had a green dot the other day, and now it's starting to come back up with -5s. So just chopped around a bit sideways yesterday. Probably could have gotten a really good entry, to be honest, like when we were around this area, but oh well, no worries. It looks like we're maybe forming a little bit of a W right now, something like this, right on the larger time frames, and maybe potentially a little bit of a trigger wave right there. So maybe we're gonna get a small pump, maybe to 29 cents. Who knows? Maybe in my opinion, I think we might reach this previous level right here, 29 cents and 29.43, and maybe I'm probably gonna put my sell order there. At which point this would be probably, let's take a look where we entered. We entered at 27.95. This would be a 50% gain, 50% trade right here if we pumped up all the way there. And some people are just like, hold it to the moon. I don't think I'm gonna hold this to the moon. But yeah, right now looks like we took a little bit of a dump the other day, but we're starting to come back now. Held my trade. I was debating on closing it last night, but yeah, I just believed in my trade and I just held it anyways, and there you go. So it's back in profit now. And yeah, let's get into Bitcoin as well, and in Ethereum, obviously the main ones for today. And we can see that on the daily time frame, we have a 16 with a red X right here. It's not as bad. Actually, it used to be a 19. If anyone remembers, it used to be a 19. So it used to be worse, right? So it's starting to come back up right now, and the numbers are actually not as bad as before. We had some -1. It used to be like a -4. So not as bad. Now looking a little bit more optimistic. And for Ethereum as well, Ethereum looking really bullish, extremely bullish on the daily time frame. Massive pump. Maybe we'll enter some Ethereum trades, but it's a little late now. But looking good, all in all, looking good. Not too bad, guys. We have on this 4 hour for Ethereum. Let's take a look. Oh, well, the numbers just changed there, right on the spot. Looks like it might slow down for a bit. Maybe we'll consolidate, and then we're bullish again. So maybe we're gonna pump now. But yeah, oh, there you go. Let's just keep switching back and forth. If it stays at these levels, I think we could get a nice little pump, maybe up to 3,600. At which point you're probably gonna see some more profit taking, and then if we blast through there, then we're gonna go straight to 3,700. We're also in a Bitcoin trade as well. Our Bitcoin trade is not doing as good as our Doge trade, surprisingly, because we got a pretty bad entry, to be honest. But we held it, and now we're starting to come back up basically to our entry point. Maybe we'll close it at break even on the BitGet account. By the way, if you guys haven't signed up for BitGet, you can actually copy my trades there if you want to take a look into it. If you don't really know how to do it, I'm gonna make a tutorial video for you today, so you guys can fully understand how to do it and how it's gonna work, and basically what it is. And yeah, let's take a look at the hash ribbons as well. Always want to keep a close eye on the hash ribbons. And yeah, still looking good. Just a quick peek, no problem. Looking good, perfect. And we can take a look at let's take a look at the stock market, because today I believe that the stock market is opened in the red, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Yeah, it looks like we're taking a little bit of a red candle underneath this trend line right here. But if you look at the other index, depending on which index you're on, right, this is just a derivative. If you look at the index right here, we're in the wedge. We're technically in the wedge, but coming back down. So we'll see where that takes us today. I'm fundamentally very bearish on the SP 500, but I think everyone in Discord knows this by now, and I'm still holding my short, but I believe in it. So yeah, I really think we're gonna have a massive correction, but we'll see. We'll see. Historically, September and October have been pretty negative months for the stock market, but you never know. You don't want to fight the Fed with their trillions of dollars. It's definitely hard. And yeah, looks like we're gonna have a pretty nice day, guys. Looks like our trade's gonna pay off pretty well. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades. I'm gonna give you guys a midday update and a tutorial today, so maybe 3 videos for you guys. You guys are in for a treat. Anyways, love you guys. Peace. If you haven't already, hit the like button. Help us get subscribers for that algorithm, because at 5,000 subscribers, we're gonna do a massive giveaway. All right, love you guys. Peace.